Hello students, welcome. Dear students, in our algebraic expressions and operations on them chapter, today we are going to learn multiplication of algebraic expression. So in this topic, you can see the examples from practice set number 35. So now first one, multiplying monomial by a monomial. Monomial, we have to put a fight between monomial to monomial. So when monomials are given, both how we have to multiply? See the rule: when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficient. Coefficient means numbers along with the signs. Whatever the signs, if someone have minus sign, then along with sign you have to multiply. Then multiply the variables. After that, means after fighting coefficient, then you have to do the fight of variables to variables. Okay, now see here, for example, minus 4xy cube multiply 3y. So here 3 and minus 4 are the coefficients. So first here multiply minus 4 and 3. So here this is the multiplication of coefficient. Now after that, variable. Now see, minus 4, then x is there, so x multiply x. Then again y cube is there, so multiply by y, and here 3 having this y, so y again we have to multiply. Now 4 3s are 12 and 4 having minus sign, so answer minus 12. Now x is alone here, so x as it is we have to write. Now here students, you have to remember or keep in your mind, when only in multiplication, when we are doing multiplication of variables, means the alphabets, that time you have to add the variables here. For example, y cube multiply by y, so here y 3 times y is there, and this is y 1 time, so y 3 plus multiply by y 1 means here y raised to 4, 4 times y is there. So this is only in multiplication. In addition and subtraction, as it is, we have to write the variables. So this keep in mind. This is very important in multiplication. Now second, multiplying a binomial by a monomial means you have to multiply binomial by a monomial. Here fight between binomial and monomial. WWF. When multiplying a binomial by a monomial, multiply each term of the binomial by the monomial. Okay, now for example, see here 5x minus 2y, so this is a binomial, multiply by 4x. Here outside the bracket always there is multiplication sign here in between, so 4x is a monomial. So what, according to rule, we have to multiply each term of the binomial by the monomial. Okay, so here the first term of the binomial is 5x, you have to multiply by this one, 4x is a monomial. Then whatever the sign is given, minus sign, so minus sign you have to give. Then again 2y is a binomial, means this is a term from the binomial, so 2y multiply by 4x is a monomial. So multiply each term of the binomial by the monomial. Now 4 5s are 20, and here x multiply by x, so x here 1 time, x 1, so x multiply by x, x square, 2 times x is there, so x square. This is only in multiplication, I am told already, so this you have to keep in mind. Now minus n as it is, 4 2s are 8, and y and x, you can write yx or xy. Okay, so sequentially xy, you can write yx also, no problem. Now third one is multiplying a binomial by a binomials, means by you have to do the fight, binomials multiply binomials. When multiplying a binomial by another binomial, multiply any one binomial by each term of the other binomial, and then add the obtained expression. This is very important. Now see, binomial to binomial, what we have to do here, multiply any one binomial by each term of the other binomial. For example, first here 6x in the bracket, first binomial 6x plus 2y, and in the second bracket 4x plus 5y. So you have to take 6x and you have to multiply this first binomial, you have to take one term 6x and you have to multiply whole bracket, this whole binomial, second binomial. So 4x multiplied by 5y. Again plus sign is there, so plus 2y. You have to take the second term from the first binomial and you have to multiply whole binomial, the second whole binomial. So that is 4x plus 5y. Now see here, 6x multiplied by 4x plus 6x multiplied by 5y, then plus sign, 2y multiplied by 4x, 2y multiplied by 5y, and you have to add this. Now here they said here, then add the obtained expression, and then we have to add the obtained, so we have to add. Now what we obtain, what we get here, the answer 6 4s are 24, x multiplied by x, so x square, then 6 5s are 30, x multiplied by y means xy, plus 2 multiplied by 4, 2 4s are 8, and yx you can write xy, yx also or xy, sequentially xy, plus here 5 2s are 10, and y multiplied by y, 2 times y means y square. This is only in multiplication, students, so this keep in mind. So we got answer 24x square plus 30xy plus 8xy plus 10y square. Now you can see here xy are the like terms, so we'll add. We cannot add 24x square plus 10y because these are not like terms. Here x square and y square, so these are not like terms, but here xy like term, that's why we have to add this. Now 24x square plus 30 plus 8, that is 38, and xy. So now you can see, sir, you can say, sir, here why you are not do x square and y square? See students, here addition time only, addition and subtraction as it is we have to take. Only in multiplication, if multiplication sign is there, then it become x square y square. Here addition sign, that's why xy only have to take. This you have to keep in mind, don't forget this, definitely will do the mistake. Addition sign, that's why here xy one time you have to take, plus 10y square. So this is our final answer. Now this is explanation. We will solve 4 examples. These four examples are not from the textbook, student. Okay, these are different from the textbook. So whenever you are solving, that time write these 4 examples, and from practice number 35 also the 4 examples you have to solve, means this 4 plus that 4 you have to solve, means total 8 example plus question number 2 is there. Okay, now we'll see this here, student. Monomial multiply by monomial. Okay, so what we have to do, first we have to multiply the coefficient, means number. So 25 multiply by 3. Okay, then we have to multiply the variable, so x square y, again multiply by y z square. This we have to take here. Okay, now 25 3s are 75. Now students, here x square y and y, x square y multiplied by y z square. So x square as it is, because you know x, so x square we have to write. Now y multiplied by y, 2 times y, here multiply sign is there, students, so y multiplied by y, that is y square, and here only z square as it is we have to write. So our answer is 25 x square y square z square. Okay, now the second example is binomial to binomial. Okay, so what we have to do, first we have to multiply the first term from the first binomial to the whole this second binomial. Okay, so first take 2x multiply by 5x plus 4y, bracket complete. Then again here we have to multiply by here, give the plus sign, then this second term from the first bracket you have to multiply whole second binomial whole bracket whole terms. Now is equal to 3y multiply by again 5x plus 4y. Okay, now students, we have to write this one in whole bracket. See, first 2x multiply by 5x bracket complete plus sign, then again 2x multiply by this 4y, 2x multiply by 4y bracket complete plus now this one 3y to 5x, 3y multiply by 5x plus sign because plus plus, so add here, then again 3y multiply by 4y. Okay, so in our Hindi dialogue, in Hindi movie, चुन चुन के मारना है, एक एक को चुन चुन के मार रहा है, मीन्स एक एक के चुन चुन के मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, so now here we put in bracket. Now we will solve this. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. X multiply by x multiply, so x square plus 2x multiply by 4y, so 4 2s are 8, x and y, so xy plus 3y multiply by 5x, 5 3s are 15, and yx, or you can write xy, yx or xy plus 3 4s are 4 3s are 12, and y multiply by y, 2 times y means y square multiply. Okay, now if you see here students, 10x square plus 8xy plus 15xy plus 12y square, so x square y square not like terms here, these are the like terms, so we will add according to the here mentioned. So 10x square plus 15 plus 8 23, then xy, see here addition sign, so only we have to write xy one time, don't write x square y square, addition is there, that's why xy one time plus what is remain 12y square. So this is the answer student, binomial to binomial. Now here in the next example you can see binomial multiply by monomial. Okay, so here students, this is very simple. What we have to do, we'll multiply each term from the this one binomial by the monomial. Okay, so is equal to now 10a first multiply by 3c again plus 12b multiply by 3c. C. Okay, now here 10 3s are 30, a multiply by c means ac plus 12 3s are 36. Okay, 36, and here b multiply by c means bc. So now students, here ac and bc, so these are not like term, 30 ac plus 36 bc are not like term, so we are not adding here. This is our final answer. If here again 36 ac is there or ca is there, then only we will add 36 plus 30 because these are like terms, but ac and bc are not like terms. 30 ac plus 36 bc are not like term, that's why I am not adding here because these are not like terms. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now again here 11xy multiply by 9xy, monomial to monomial. Okay, so when solving monomial to monomial, what we have to do, first as I explained before, we have to multiply the coefficient and then variables. So 11 and 9 are coefficients, so 11 9 multiply by x y multiply by again x y. This xy here and this xy here. Okay. Now 11 nines are 99. Here students multiplication signs. So x multiplied by x, x square, and y multiplied by y means y square. Okay. So I hope you understood, student. Try to solve the example. These examples are exactly same from the practice set 35. Okay. Now in practice set 35 there is one more example. This one, student. Second question. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long. Means length is given and breadth is 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. Okay. So just write length of the rectangle in the given thing. Length of the rectangle you have to write is equal to 8x plus 5, and then breadth is equal to 5x plus 3, and then same like this, binomial to binomial you have to multiply. But here, students, if you see here, the second in the second term here only coefficient, no variable. Okay, so this is simple. You have to multiply like this. Only here there is no variable. So try to solve this. And students, specially maybe means next this one, not this Saturday Sunday, next Saturday I will send this one answer key of this whole chapter, because this is little bit critical for me. For you, I know you are very smart students. This is a little bit I think so. For that I will send the answer key. Only answers I will send. So solve that and check it. But while solving, you have to solve with pencil, students. Okay. And any doubt, message me on my WhatsApp number. Still there, students. Take care. Bye bye.